You may want to crop images within a PDF to modify or make adjustments to them. In this video, I'll show you how to crop images using PDFelement. Let's get started. Open a PDF document that contains the images you want to crop. Then click the Image tab to enter Image Editing mode. Now select the image you want to crop and navigate to the Crop tool. Drag the corners of the image and adjust to the required size. Press the Enter key to complete an instant resizing of your image. That's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. Plus, check out the rest of my videos for other useful ways to improve your daily routine working with PDFs. Thanks, and see you next time!